Hello and welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how you can basically get unlimited leads from social media and how you can do that effortlessly by just clicking a few buttons and getting the results that you wanted, and also how to get emails from Google Maps, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, everything that you basically need to do your cold outreach campaigns. All right, so without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. All right, so the tool is called Social Eads, and what are they best at is just getting the least amount of input and getting the most amount of results for you. So we just need to import the keywords and the location, and you will get all the results you need. And it works for platforms like Google Maps, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So you can get results from all of these platforms by just simply clicking a few buttons and getting all the results you need. Now, these are the pricing plans. I'm actually going to give you over 10,000 leads at the end of this video if you keep watching. So if you want some of this, keep watching and I will give it to you for free. Now, let's look into the tool actually. So once you log in here, the tool is pretty simple, straightforward. Anyone can use it. So for example, these are your scraping results that you've already done, and I've just scraped I've tried all of the things so that you will see the results and you can take advantage of them. Now, for example, look at Instagram. You can scrape Instagram hashtag, or you can just scrape Instagram keyword. So the keyword, how does it work? Is just searches for the keyword in the search bar, and it gives you random results of these people. You can just select country and then how many results you want and what keyword you want, right? Also, it can let you avoid duplicates from previous searches so that you don't scrape the same leads again. Now you can also include synonyms in search. So for example, if you search for something like marketing, it can also search for terms like inbound marketing, marketing agencies, things like that. And the next thing would be, for example, YouTube, Twitter. It all works on the same basis, right? You just enter a keyword, how many results you want, and what country you want. You don't even have to select the country, but at least the keyword, and it will ask you if you want to include like synonyms to that keyword, right? So you would just, for example, go on Twitter, enter keyword, in my case, marketing agency. You would just select country, so let's just select United States, and we can go like 500 results. Now I would just click search, and it would start searching. All right, so here are my scraping results. Basically, what you do is you just click start searching, and it will do everything for you. Then you just get email when the results are ready, and you can just download them in CSV, and then later on import them into Google Sheets. All right, so this is how these results look like in reality. So we have here the LinkedIn. From LinkedIn, you just get like, this is a great tool if you are using some sort of email automation tool, because you're going to get a lot of relevant emails. And so this is the email, the name of that company, and their link right to the socials. Now, in our case, what I'm mostly excited about is the Instagram thing, because I know for a fact that many of you have been struggling with scraping leads from Instagram, and this is one great solution that you can utilize, is to use this tool to get their bios, to get their emails, to get their website links, basically anything you need to get from their Instagram. And from here, you can just watch some of my other videos that I've already made on Instagram outreach, how you can personalize the first name and how you can start your own Instagram campaign. Right, so pretty straightforward. And there are 10,000 leads here included, right? So these are followers of Charlie Morgan. Now, on Twitter, what you can do here is what you will get is emails. You will get the name and the nickname here. So the link to their personal profiles, which is something that you can also utilize later down the road. We are developing a solution for this for our tool called Xsearcher, where you could just import a CSV with results you want to contact, and then it will contact them for you, like 500 per day, something like that. Now, the next step would be a Facebook, which is also pretty simple. It will give you, it's specializing also on emails mainly to get the most amount of emails, and then it also gets you the name and the links. Now for YouTube, pretty much the same thing, and Google Maps, This will get you more results. It will get you phone numbers. It will get you emails. It will get you full addresses, websites, everything you probably need to do some sort of cold calling campaign, email campaign, and anything like that, right? But yeah, if you want to do cold outreach on Instagram, definitely recommend this tool. If you want to do cold email campaigns, also can recommend this tool a lot. With the way that you are searching leads, it's not just like you go on Apollo and start getting all those lead lists with those emails, because those leads are just so used up that it's going to be very hard for you to get any results. If you are doing this, for example, using a tool like this, you will get random results most likely, but with the keyword you want, so that you can then get to contact people who have never been contacted before, which is the gold mine of cold email. All right. And I'm actually going to give you access to this entire sheet for free. So check the description below. The Instagram has over 10,000 people in it. The LinkedIn has, I think, 500, Twitter 500, Facebook maybe 1,000, YouTube 500. So you will get a lot of leads yourself. Try it out for free and do whatever you want with this. You will get view access. And this is just my thanks to you for being a lovely subscriber. And I will see you in the next video.